a little bit of oil in there and stuff out for the video.
I didn't put any oil in it, and I want it upside down. I want to turn it. What my thing at? What my tongs? I don't want y'all to see me touching it all with my hands, but the cranberry update. I can't do it. Hold on, flip over thing. This is hilarious, y'all. Absolutely hilarious. Look at that. I don't even know what to say. Wait, let me. I don't know if I want to mess with it or not. It's jiggly. Look, it's jiggly. Homemade cranberry sauce. And I didn't even intentionally do this. I just came back to check it. That's insane. That is insane. And I had put some in this little cup, a pinch bowl, to just take a picture. And I was getting ready to clean the kitchen, and I realized, like, wait a minute. Is that jellied? Is it jellied? There you go. They said it was possible. We didn't believe them, but there it is. Cranberry sauce, homemade. I think I should try and slice it. What do you think?